Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on XVG. Recently, the price of XVG broke out another falling wedge pattern, and after that, we had a very powerful pump. The price and could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 2.1 cents and goes to 1.7 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very long-term up trend line resistance as well. You can see that this resistance is coming from the month of August 2022, and when it was moving inside this previous long-term falling wedge pattern, at that time we found this resistance. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. This time the price then went very close to this resistance, but due to this resistance on the price and could not hit this uptrend line resistance. Now recently we have almost tested this long-term support of $0.0045. That was recently working as a resistance here and support here, resistance here, and resistance here as well. And now again, it is working as a very nice support. And in today's video, we will also analyze this support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared on 28th of December 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish bat move that XVG formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target. And this was almost 40% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now let's move to the live chart of XVG, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. First of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally we broke out and retested the previous resistance of the wedge as support, and then the price and geared up. The technical target for the breakout from this wedge was, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That was approximately at $0.0088. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. And then several times we, by the way, tested this support of 1 cent, but finally we broke down this support of 1 cent. Now it can work as a strong resistance. And the price then dropped very close to this next support of $0.0045. That was recently working as a very strong resistance here. And before that, it was working as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and support here. And now, this time, if the price hits this support, so far the price went very close to this support, but did not hit this support. But if the price hits this support, then it can work as a very, very strong support for the price. And once again, however, in case of breaking it down, it can again drop down to this next very long-term support point, $0.0025. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this point, $0.0025, has been previously breaking as a very strong support here, and support here as well. Now here on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that the price line has also found a very long-term up trend line resistance as well. We got rejections here, rejection here, rejection here. And this time the price line was rejected by this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents to 2.1 cents. This is a complete resistance zone. Therefore, the price line could not hit their up trend line resistance this time. However, if the price then breaks out this uptrend line, this resistance zone from 1.7 to 2.1 cents, then still we will need to break out this uptrend line resistance in order to continue this rally to the upside. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and after that we had a very, very massive pump. But so far the price then could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that long-term target will be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.